Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to customize Threads DM background. So as you know guys, some people have the DMs on Threads, but a lot of us doesn't have that option. So as you can see, there is no option right here that will allow us to go into the DMs of Threads, even if we select a contact just like that one. For example, right here, as you can see, I don't have the chat option. So I only have the follow and the mention, and also if I want to look for it into these 3 points on the top right corner, there is nothing that's attached or linked with the DMs, or there is nothing says DMs, alright, or chat. So what I advise you to do is to go into this icon right here, the IG icon, and after that it will forward you into your Instagram, and after that I just want you to go into the message right here. So by tapping on message you will be on this conversation, and after that I just want you to go into his name, tap on it, and write message. Okay, so I need to be followed back, so let's go to a casual conversation like that one, just to complete the tutorial. So right here what you want to do is to tap, as I said, on the name of that one that you want to change the background on his chat. Alright, and right here as you can see I have theme option right here. Just tap on it and you can choose whatever you want, whether that one, or that one. It depends on you. Alright, and even you can create a theme on the DMs of Instagram just by AI. So once you tap on create with AI, you can type your idea of this background, and the Meta AI will generate it for you. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.